Welcome to our channel Simplifying Complex History. In this video, we cover a significant moment with a clear overview of the event, cause and effect. Join us on a journey exploring the past. The French Revolution was a period of significant political and social upheaval in France that lasted from 1789 to 1799. It was a time of radical change that had a significant impact not only on France but also on the rest of Europe and the world. The revolution was driven by a number of factors, including economic crisis, social inequality, and political corruption. France was facing significant financial difficulties, in part due to its involvement in the American Revolution and the cost of maintaining a large army and court. At the same time, the French monarchy and aristocracy were seen as corrupt and out of touch with the needs of the people. The revolution began with the storming of the Bastille, a royal fortress in Paris, on July 14, 1789. The Bastille had become a symbol of the monarchy's tyranny and oppression, and its fall was seen as a victory for the people. The revolutionaries then established the National Assembly, a new government that aimed to create a constitutional monarchy with greater rights and freedoms for the people. The revolution quickly gained momentum, and the National Assembly passed a series of significant reforms, including the Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen, which proclaimed the equality and liberty of all citizens. The revolution also saw the abolition of feudalism, the establishment of a new legal system, and the introduction of a new currency. However, the revolution was not without its challenges. The country was divided into factions, with some advocating for a more radical approach to reform and others advocating for more gradual change. The revolution also led to significant violence and bloodshed, including the Reign of Terror, a period from 1793 to 1794 during which thousands of people were executed for their perceived opposition to the revolution. The revolution also had a significant impact on the rest of Europe. The French Revolutionary Wars, which began in 1792, saw France fighting against a coalition of European powers, including Great Britain, Austria, and Prussia. The wars ultimately led to the expansion of France's territories and the spread of revolutionary ideas throughout Europe. The revolution also had a significant impact on art, literature, and culture. The period saw the emergence of Romanticism, a cultural movement that emphasized emotion, individualism, and the power of the imagination. It also saw the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte, who rose to power in 1799 and established himself as the leader of France and much of Europe. In conclusion, the French Revolution was a period of significant political and social upheaval in France that had a significant impact on the rest of Europe and the world. It was driven by a number of factors, including economic crisis, social inequality, and political corruption. While the revolution led to significant reforms and the spread of revolutionary ideas, it was also marked by violence and bloodshed. Nonetheless, the legacy of the French Revolution continues to be felt today, both in France and around the world. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out our other videos.